Hello and thank you for tuning in to Saya Resam, your personal guide through the ever-expanding world of technology. In this episode, we'll put a hotly anticipated device through real-world tests to see if it lives up to its hype. In late February, Xiaomi officially introduced its newest flagship smartphone, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and it's already creating a lot of buzz in the premium smartphone market, with major upgrades in performance, camera technology, and battery life. This device aims to push the Ultra series even further in 2026. Today, we're taking a hands-on look at the official global version of the Xiaomi 17 Ultra to see what makes this flagship so special. Unboxing the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Before we get into the phone itself, let's quickly check out what's inside the box. The packaging of the Xiaomi 17 Ultra features a clean and premium look. The product name is printed in white on a contrasting black background, giving it a bold flagship appearance. Around the sides and back of the box, you'll find key information about the device, such as battery capacity and distribution details. Inside the box, Xiaomi includes a surprisingly complete set of accessories. You get a 100W USB-A to USB-C fast charger, a transparent hard plastic case, and the usual user manuals and documentation. Interestingly, while the phone officially supports 90W wired charging, Xiaomi still includes a 100W charger in the box. It's a generous move, especially considering many smartphone brands have stopped including chargers altogether. Design and build quality. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra measures 6.41 inches tall, 3.06 inches wide, and 0.33 inches thick, making it slightly slimmer and more compact than its predecessor. The device weighs around 7.7 ounces for the black and white versions, while the blue model comes in slightly heavier at about 7.72 ounces. Overall, the phone feels surprisingly balanced and comfortable to hold for a flagship device with such powerful hardware. Looking around the frame, the right side houses the power button and volume controls. Xiaomi has redesigned the volume buttons, separating them into two individual round buttons with engraved plus and minus symbols. This design has a slightly retro feel that might remind some users of classic smartphones like the iPhone 5. The left side of the device remains clean and minimal. On the top edge, you'll find antenna lines, while the bottom edge includes the speaker grill, USB-C port, and SIM card tray. On the front, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is protected by Xiaomi Shield Glass 3.0, a reinforced glass technology developed by the company. Meanwhile, the back panel uses a new fiberglass composite material, which Xiaomi claims offers better flexibility and durability compared to traditional glass backs. The device also comes with IP68 water and dust resistance, providing protection against accidental spills or splashes. Compared to the previous generation, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra now features flatter surfaces on both the front and back, giving the phone a more modern, angular appearance while still maintaining a comfortable grip. Display experience. One of the highlights of the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is its massive display.